Welcome to GlenView. This is the view going up our driveway. And pretty soon all of these leaves are going to turn. This is October 9th. We're probably another 2 weeks away from peak foliage. So we got an asphalt driveway up to our mid-century modern house. A month ago, I didn't know what mid-century modern even meant. But we saw this house, and we saw the view from the back deck, and we knew that this was our next house. There's my helper for today. All houses must be sent to the lab for testing. Everywhere I look, I see projects, I see issues with the house that need to be fixed. But I think it's an amazing canvas that we can work with for a few years and turn this into something really special. So here's the approach to the house. You can see the distinctive architecture, mid-century modern, and something that's unique to the South, which is carports. Everybody loves carports. What I'd like to do is keep the original house, turn the carport into a barndominium. That is today's plan. We'll see if we can actually accomplish something like that. The next project I'm going to work on today is to remove that antenna up there. So that is gone as of today. I'm going to replace it with a new HD antenna. Let me show you the southern view from our back deck. There is our southern facing yard, and there is into the distance we can see near halfway into South Carolina from this elevation point. We're up maybe about another 500 feet above the average terrain because we're on top of a small mountain, and I don't know if you can see it through these trees. This will become very evident shortly, but there is a very large mountain through that gap there. That is called Hogback Mountain, and it's very large. So there we go. There again is today's project. Here we go. This is GlenView, and the projects begin.